Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to deal with wrongly entered dates, especially in the CSV files, and how to correct them when you open them in Microsoft Excel. I know this is not a problem for most of you, but there are still people out there who don't know how to enter dates properly when entering data. And when that data comes to a person who needs to work on that data, they need to correct these dates, and sometimes it is very difficult to deal with. First of all, notice that my system date is year, month, and day. However, we can tell that the person who entered these dates entered day, month, and year. Normally, we use a combination of Excel formulas such as left, mid, and right to correct these dates and convert them into proper date format. However, sometimes these are entered so wrongfully that it is very difficult to use simple Excel formulas to convert them to a proper format. And we need to write a very complex Excel formula which may not produce the accurate result or may become very unpredictable. So this is a CSV file, and if we open this CSV file in the notepad, we can see that different formats have been used for all dates, and Excel tried to recognize some dates automatically, and if we see, all dates belong to year 2026. However, these dates have been recognized wrongly as 2005 and 2006, which, by the way, 5 and 6 is day, not the year. So sometime in these kinds of scenarios, Excel tries to recognize the dates and even makes the situation worse. So if you are dealing with dates like these, the most important thing is to never save the CSV file or convert it into an Excel file, because in that case the dates that have been converted or recognized automatically by Excel will be completely destroyed. They will be saved as a number, and this is the number. If we convert this column to general, this is the number, and after that it will be more difficult to accurately recognize the dates. So simply close this Excel file without saving, and we will try some other methods to open this file and read the dates accurately. So the first method involves Power Query. So open the Excel app, go to the data, and open the CSV file, and Excel has already recognized dates. Let's load the data, and to check if the dates are recognized correctly, we can convert these dates into long date format. And it says February 5, 2026, March 5, 2026, but it is actually 2 May 2026, 3 May 2026, 4 May 2026. So actually the data belongs to month of May, and days are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can correct this by using the Power Query, and we will remove this change type. This will bring the actual format, and we can right click on the date column and use the change type, and then using the locale, and here we can choose date, and then we can select a country where this format is followed. So you need to know which format is followed by which country. So day, month and year is followed by Great Britain, so we will select the United Kingdom and click OK. So now we have again some uh, dates in the date format. Let's click on the close and load, and now we have May 2, May 3, May 4, May 5, May 6 and May 7. And this is how you correct the dates using Power Query. However, we are going to explore another method which does not involve anything changing in Microsoft Excel, not even formulas, not even Power Query. And by simply opening the CSV file in Excel, you get the correct format of your dates. So close this Excel file, and before opening the CSV file, go to the control panel and then go to the region, and in the additional settings go to the date tab and enter the format which is followed in this file here. So we are going to enter this format, which is day, month and year. We will click on the apply button, and then we are going to open the CSV file in Excel, and we get something like this. But if we click on this column and then select the long date, we get the accurate dates: May 2, May 3, May 4, May 5, May 6 and May 7. So now you can go ahead and save as Excel file, and your dates are permanently correct. And you can also change this to short date format and save as CSV file. And now your CSV is also corrected. So let's open this in Notepad, and you can see that all dates are properly formatted now. And if we open this in Excel, we get the correct dates, and same goes for the Excel file. So this is how we can safely and accurately convert dates into their proper date format, and without using any complex method. And this is end for the day. We'll see you in future with another interesting topic. Till then, have fun learning Microsoft Excel.